everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back. Today's video is actually sponsored by someone, which is amazing. I know this company actually gave me a chance and I'm really thankful for that. You use code Ashley Sipes on pixiecup.com, receive 15% off your entire purchase. I'll also have this discount code in the description below. If you're a mom like me or you just like to save money, coupons are awesome, so take advantage of this coupon. I'm just going to share a little bit from Pixie Cup's website. Healthy, eco-friendly, safe. The Pixie Cup is a healthy, eco-friendly, and reusable silicone cup that collects your menstrual flow. Don't get weirded out yet, we promise this cup really works. The rim of the cup creates a seal around your vaginal walls, providing up to 12 hours of leak-free protection. As a result, Pixie Cup is designed to last for years, and best of all, the Pixie Cup is an affordable and environmentally sustainable alternative to pads and tampons. We are about to introduce you to the key to a leak-free, brilliant, I can't stop smiling and leaping for joy period. Dear friend, meet the Pixie Cup. Pixie Cup is based in the Midwest in Missouri by a family-owned business. And what really drew me to Pixie Cup is their buy one give one program. Buy one give one program has almost raised over 37,000 Pixie Cups to those in need. So for every Pixie Cup that is bought through Pixie Cup, they give to someone in need. If you're in need of menstrual products or would like to support Pixie Cup just because of what they do, I strongly suggest you to check out something, purchase it, and use my discount code Ashley Sipes to receive 15% off your entire purchase. So you just type Ashley Sipes into the little coupon code section there and you can receive 15% off, and I think that's an amazing deal. Huge shout out to Pixie Cup for sponsoring this video. I'm really excited to share with you all. I tried Pixie Pads in this video. I'll share a little bit about using cloth menstrual pads. After getting the box open, the pads were inside of this gray little bag. Pads came with 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 pads. Various colors, and I liked everything that the pads came with. I'm so excited to use these. I have been using some menstrual pads from Amazon on my period, and they work really well. But I really want to give the Pixie Pads a go because I really like this brand and company. I like that they give back. I like how many pads I got for the price. Here's all of the pads. I got this with my Pixie Pads. This card says, caring for your Pixie Pads is easy. Just follow the instructions on this card and enjoy having eco-friendly cycles. For 100% satisfaction guarantee, if you have any questions about our product, simply contact us. And it has their information. For use, wash your Pixie Pads prior first use. Simply place the pad on your underwear with the soft gray material facing up. Snap into place and use the double-sided pad tape for extra security if needed. So I assume that this is the pad tape. Rinse. To minimize staining and discoloration of your pad, simply rinse each pad after use. Store pads in gray zipper bag, which this is the gray zipper bag. Wash. Use all natural scented laundry soap and avoid using fabric softener. Wash in your washing machine using regular settings and cold water. Will dry on low settings or hang dry. Change pads every 2 to 6 hours depending on your flow amount. With the right care, your Pixie Pads will last for years. I really like that these pads last for years. I don't have to go out and buy disposable pads every month. I just have to keep up with laundry. Sometimes that's hard, but I think I have enough pads now to wear every 2 to 6 hours. I'm gonna be okay and I'll have enough clean for my whole menstrual cycle. So that's not that bad if you can build up some sort of stash. With each paycheck and stuff like that, you're able to save a little bit of money each time to buy more pads and save them. At first, I was afraid to use reusable products like these pads that I have to wash just because I slack usually with laundry being a mother. I am a very frugal person. I like to save money. I hate spending money even if I need something. I have no problem spending money on my children, but I have so many problems with buying what I need. I'm so glad that I bit the bullet. I have a pad stash now and I can say goodbye to disposable pads. So I have my period. That's why I look so tired. We're gonna see how much this Pixie pad can hold it because this period's a little bit different, but I'm sure the Pixie Pad will be able to hold up and do well, comfort-wise too. So I'm excited to get started with my new Pixie Pad. Okay. See that? The little snap closure. This is my view right now. I'm about to rinse this pad and put on a new one. So yeah, at the end of this video, I'll show you how I wash all of my pads. But for now, I'm using maybe 2 pads a day, which isn't bad. I'm on day 2, going on day 3. So I know it's going to get lighter from here on out. I'm about to wash my Pixie Pads and I'm going to show you how I do it. I'm going to wash on cold, so I'm going to go ahead and move that over. Come over here, do my thing. Now I like to use 7th generation. This just happens to be this kind, and I usually like the lavender. Come on. I really enjoyed these pads. Soft, they're comfortable. Disposable pads break me out. Like, I get rashes, I get a lot of irritation down there, and even burning. Sometimes I think it has to do with the bleach and chemicals that's put in most pads. And I used to buy pads at Dollar General or Family Dollar. I really like disposable pads because I feel like I'm saving so much more money instead of needing to go out every month and getting more pads, and I feel like it's a lot better for my body because I'm not irritated down there. In some videos, people don't like that the reusable pads kind of bunch up whenever you sit down and stuff like that, but I really don't notice a difference. It's a comfort thing, and I don't mind cloth pads whatsoever. I actually prefer them more so than the disposable because I just have bad reactions to everything. I never really wore tampons to know what that was like, and I've just always worn pads. The snap closure on the pad is also really good. I've owned some other cloth pads before, and the snap closure part wasn't very good. It was either too hard to pull apart or like Velcro or something, and just not fun to deal with. But I really like the Pixie Pads. I know this video is sponsored, but I really like my pads. I like the colors. I like that they don't have crazy designs and they're kind of subtle. That's just my style. I know no one's gonna see my pads, so it doesn't really matter. There's pros and cons to everything. Here's a list of pros and cons that I put together through websites and asking other people, and even that I thought of myself. One of the pros of reusable pads is that they're affordable after your stash is made. They're environmentally friendly. There's no irritation, no leaks. They're comfortable and always available, as in you don't have to go to the store and get new pads each month. Cons would be the time that you spend rinsing your cloth pads. Washing or hand washing is not as fast as just getting a plastic disposable pad out. Building your stash can be a little bit expensive. It's just in comparison to pads that you could buy at the store for $4 when it's like 48 pads. These pads can stain. You come in contact with blood. I also wanted to share a better visual of how to put this pad on for those who don't know or have never done it before. I'm going to show you all how to put on this pad with my underwear, because when I was sitting there, I don't know if you were able to really see what it's like to put on a pad. So there's your underwear as if you were wearing them or sitting on the toilet. You put the pad just on the inside of your underwear like that, and you snap it. You can either snap it on that and it's more loose or tight. Crotch of these panties are kind of small, and then it should look like that. It came with double-sided tape. I've actually never used double-sided tape with cloth pads because I've only bought the cheapest cloth pads that I could possibly find, and it just didn't come with anything. It tells you how to use the double-sided tape. I don't want to open it yet because I don't want to waste it if I'm not using it, but you have double-sided tape for your cloth pad. That's basically what it would look like in your underwear. These pads are probably going to be my go-to when I don't feel like wearing a cup. Thank you so much, Pixie Cup, for sponsoring this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you'd like, and I'll see you next time.